Good morning, children. Today we can study hundreds, tens, and ones in the numbers. How many hundreds, how many tens, how many ones in the numbers that we already some you learned in the last class, isn't it? Today we can study in detail. All of you listen here, children. Here I gave here. You can see here how many hundreds, tens, and ones. How many hundreds, tens, ones in the number. You can see here number that we can give, look here, 245. The number is 245. In that 245, how many hundreds in that, how many tens in that, and how many ones in that? That is in the packet wise, that is giving in the packet. This one is the packet of 100 and 245 items or 245 things. That means 245 things, we can't take 245 things hand. So we can take it one packet. That one packet means this, in this packet 100 things in that. If we are taking the sweets, the number of sweets is 245. Number of sweets is 245. So that 245 sweets we can't take or we can't draw it here. So we can take here packets wise. We can take packet wise. Here this one is the packet of 100. Packet of 100. And this one is the packet of 10. And this one is the loose items. Yes, look here. 245. 245. How many hundreds in that? You can look here. One is 2, one is 4, one is 5. 245. 200. When I am reading that number, you can understand how many hundreds in that. 200s. 200s means how many hundreds in that? 2. 200. So we can take 2 packets. 2 packets of 100. Look here. 2 packets of 100 means 100 plus 100. How many hundreds here? 200s. 200 means 2 into 100. That is 200. That is 200. And 40. How many tens? This one is the packet of tens. This one is the packet of tens. How many tens here? 40. 245. 40. Then how many tens? The 4 tens, isn't it? 4 tens means 40. 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 4 tens. 4 tens means 4 into 10, that is 40. 4 into 10, that is 40. And how many loose items? That is 5. This one is the hundreds. This one is the tens. And which one is ones? That is loose items. Ones. How many ones the? This. 5 is ones the, that we can give triangle. Okay. Yes. How many ones the? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 5 ones. 5 into 1. 5. Then what is the number? 200 plus 40 plus 200 plus 40 plus 5. 200 plus 40, 240. 240 plus 5, 245. Okay. Do you understand how many hundreds, how many tens, how many ones in that, children? The next, another one. Look here. Another one. 684. Look here. 684. This one is the ones place. The loose items. That is loose item. This one is the ones place. That is loose items. And second place is tens. That is tens. Loose item that we can give it ones. 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 That is O-N-E-S, ones. That A-O we can put it here. Ones. And this one is the place of tens. Tens. This one is the place of tens. And this one is the place of 100. Hundreds. Look here. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Hundreds place, this one is hundreds place, isn't it? 600. 684. 684, that is hundreds place, 600. So this one is the hundreds place. And 84, 80, that is tens. 80, that is tens, 4, that is ones or loose items or ones, we can give it as 4. So 684 in that. 600 plus 80 plus 4. This one is the 600, that is hundreds, and 80, that is 80, that is tens, and 4 ones. 684, 600 plus 80 plus 4, 600 plus 80, 680 plus 4, 684, isn't it? So that is the hundreds, tens and ones place. Okay. Then 800, and all of you listen here, 872. 872. Then how many hundreds packet you want to draw it here? Here you have to draw. Here you can draw. This one is the packets of 100, isn't it? This one is the packets of 10. This one is the packets of ones or loose items. Then you can take, the number is 872. So how many hundreds in that, children? How many hundreds in that? 872. 800. So you can draw it here. 800. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you can write it here. That is the packets of 100. That is the packets of 100. Then every circle you can write it 100. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 into 100. 800s. This one is 800s. And how many tens the second place? This one, first one, that is loose items, and second place is tens, and third place is hundreds. So how many tens the? 7 tens. That 7 tens means you have to draw 7 square. 7 square. Okay. Yes, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. 10. How many tens the? 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tens the. 7 tens means 1 10, 10, 2 10, 20, 3 10, 30, 4 10, 40, 6 10, 60, 7 10, 70. Okay, 7 10, 70. Then how many ones the? Only 2 ones the. So you can draw 2 triangles the. Then look here, 800. How many hundreds here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 800s there. 800, 8 into 100, 800. And 7 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 tens are 70. 7 tens are 70. And loose items 2, that is 2. Then what is the answer? 800 plus 70. 870. 870 plus 2, that is 872. Look here. 872. Okay. Then next. Yes, in second this page you can take it as homework. And next page here. This one is the Lazy's Crazy's shop, and the animals are taking things from the, isn't it? So here animals are already taking things from the, and Lazy Crazy is taking money like this way, 100 rupee notes and 10 rupee notes and 1 rupee coin. They are taking money like this way, 100 rupee note, 10 rupee note and 1 rupee coin. Then look here children, 100 rupee note, and this one is the 10 rupee note, and this one is the coin, 1 rupee coin. 1 rupee coin. Then look here. Here, elephant take things at the amount of 420 rupees. He take things from the Lazy Crazy shop at rupees 420 rupees. Look here, 420 rupees taking things from the, and he gave to Lazy Crazy shop 420. How is giving that 420 rupees? He want to, that it want to give the money according to 100, 10 rupee and 1 rupee coin likewise. Then look here, how many hundreds here? That elephant has to give the amount in hundreds and tens. 100 and tens, how many hundreds here? 420, that is 400, isn't it? So they can give 400, 1, 2, 3, 4 hundreds. 100, 100, 100, 100. And how many 10 rupee note needed? 2 10 rupee note needed, isn't it? 2 10 rupee note needed. 2. And how many coins needed? How many coins needed? No need of the coins because no loose items or no ones here. So 0, that you can leave it. Then no need of 1 rupee coin. 420 rupees needed. So 400s and 2 tens, that is 20. 400 plus 20, that is 420, isn't it? Then second one here, A started giving 143 rupees. 143 rupees. 143 rupees means how many hundreds rupees in that? How many 100 rupees needed to give? Yes, 100, isn't it? So you want to draw a 100 rupee note. And how many 10 rupee notes he want to give? It want to give 4 10 rupee note, isn't it? This one is the 4 10 rupee note. 1, 2, 3, 4 10 rupee notes needed. And how many ones, how many 1 rupee coin needed? Look here, this one is the ones place, that is 3 1 rupee coin needed. 3 1 rupee coin needed. So 100 rupees, that is 100, 1 into 100, 100, 4 into 10, 4 tens are 40, 3 ones are 3. So 140 plus 343. Okay children, likewise you have to do this one also. This one also you can take it as homework. Okay children, bye.